Good morning. A week hasn't passed. It's Monday now. So Wednesday, I was expecting maybe Wednesday or Thursday I'll be harvesting plums. But I'll bring you in now and show you something. So remember I was saying that the plums, they can get overripe on the vine. See, that came off very easily. Get you back out. It's still edible at this stage, but they will rot on the tree just like a banana will. And so I came by Saturday it was, and I seen a couple of these, so I said I'd better go and I pick all of the plums now that are a little bit squishy. So we're going to see just how many plums we get today. It's cool, so with this jacket I get to wear a jacket, and there's a bit of wind, so it'll be a real test of my little wind guard I made up. You see, the tent caterpillars didn't leave a mark on the plums. They just ate the leaves. I hardly had to move my feet and didn't have to move the bucket to get a 5-gallon bucket full. And gently lift it up, put it down, and the black line will tell me where it was. So a 5-gallon bucket full ends up to be 15 kilograms, approximately 33 pounds. I doubt I paid $30 for this tree, probably only 20 many years ago. And I planted it there, kept the vegetation down around it for a while, and then I just let it do its thing. And in this just one growing season, that's 4 bucketfuls. Now remember I said 33 pounds for a bucket, but the bucket weighs 3 pounds, so 30 pounds, 4 bucketfuls, plus the beef pail full, that's another 5 pounds, or 125 pounds of plums in just one growing season. Can you imagine if the other one, the moose, hadn't destroyed? I would have had, well, double that, right? 250 pounds. This took all afternoon. The sun is getting low now, so the black knot is going to have to wait until tomorrow. I put that pail on there so that I can put the bag of plums in there and it wouldn't fall over. I can let it go. So we got down 0 now. Then I can put the plums in there in each bag. See, it's between 4,500 and 5,000 grams. I thought to wait for a leaf fall to do this next step, but it is September the 28th now, and I'm waiting for the grass to dry up so that I can mow this. So I thought this tree, like I say, September the 28th, it's done, it's gathering energy for this year. These lumps, I think I can just break them off without actually cutting back the tree. But something that's completely encircling the branch, then I'll have to cut off, or almost. Now this one I might be able to get off. You see, this one is 3/4 of the way around. I'll have to just cut it off back there and see what the tree is like when I'm done that. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. I have a couple more pieces on the inside I need to get, and then it'll be all the black knot taken away. And I'll take this up to the bog and throw it out there. Looking at the tree from this direction, you can see by cutting out that black knot, I basically just opened up the tree, and now there'll be a lot better air circulation. I'm harvesting these apples a bucketful at a time, because there is some processing I'm doing with them, and then there's some that I'm just putting right in the freezer, and I'm going to check the internet and see if there's other ways of storing them. But here's something interesting. Grapes, ripe grapes, and a lot of them. There's quite a few of them that has just a little bit of tartness left. But I think come Friday, this is one of the things I will take any that are soft. This is a wine grape, I think that's why it's tart. But here's this end. And here's on the bottom end. Now the vines were hanging right out over, and I cut these back. And you see all in through there. So next year, I think, because I'm not going to get to putting up the trellis for this next year either. But the middle of August, I'll come along and I'll cut back the vines to expose a lot of the grapes that are wherever they're growing, and hopefully I'll get more ripe grapes that way. Well, it's raining now. Supposed to get even heavier later on. But hope you enjoyed seeing the latest crop of fruit that's developing. Hit that like button for me if you did, and if you want to follow along, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.